Hello users, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we will see how to change the distribution from Opensuse Leap to Opensuse Tumbleweed. Leap is the stable version and Tumbleweed is the rolling release. So say you have a Leap installed on your laptop and you want to try out the new packages that are frequently pushed out to Tumbleweed. You need not format your laptop. You can just change the repos and upgrade to OpenSUSE Tumbleweed. So first of all, open your terminal, type sudo make dir forward slash etc slash zip, that is the package manager, slash repos dot d slash old, enter. Then they will ask you for the sudo password. Insert your sudo password. Next step is sudo mv is the move etc zip repos.d slash star. So all the files inside this folder will be copied to the old folder. After this command is done, you have to type another command, sudo zyper ar slash f slash c http // download.opensuse.org tumbleweed / repo / oss repo oss, enter. It will add the new repo, that is the tumbleweed repo, in here. It will become like here repos.d, and the older folder will be become name will become old, and this will be the new folder. It will automatically pick up the priority. It will automatically auto refresh. JPG check also will be done. Keys check. It will be automatically enabled. URI will be copied and permanently saved in this in the repo folder of the etc zyper repos folder. 99 is the default priorities. Next is you install the non-OSS, that is the non-free package repo. Same, you have to do sudo zyper ar -f -c http // download.opensuse.org slash tumbleweed slash repos slash non-oss repo non-oss, enter. This repo will be also added to the repo list and saved in the folder, repo folder. Similarly, you can now do same for the debug repo. Here is the debug repo you have to add. Then is the update repo you have to add. After all the repos are added, you have to do a zyper dup. Dup is the distribution upgrade. Sudo zyper dup. Once you give the command, it will start retrieving the repository for all the repos. It will update the package list and the file dependencies and everything, package dependencies. It will create the cache and metadata. It will give you a warning also. You are about to do a distribution upgrade with all the enabled repositories. Make sure the repositories are compatible before you continue. See man zyper for more information about this command. Computed distribution upgrade. So it will compute the distribution upgrade. So in my case, the following 322 new packages are going to be installed. It gives a big list of 322 packages. 4 new packages are to be new patterns are to be installed. The patterns is for the Gnome games. Gnome game is a separate independent pattern. YAS2 desktop is also a pattern. And documentation is also independent pattern. The following 152 packages are going to be removed. So it will give the list of 152 packages. The following 6 patterns are to be removed. App armor underscore op, that is the optional app armor, enhanced bed and enhanced base underscore optional, imaging underscore optional, laptop multimedia underscore optional, and x11. And so the some patterns having the optional components are going to be removed. Now the following 2083 packages are going to be upgraded. It's a very long list. So all this package, you can see here, it's very big list, are going to be upgraded. More than 2000 packages are going to be upgraded. So after that, the following 25 patterns are going to be upgraded. So the Gnome imaging, internet, Gnome multimedia, Gnome office, Gnome utilities, Gnome yash, Gnome x11, imaging minimal base, multimedia office, software management, Gnome x11, x11 enhanced, x11 yash 2 basis. All these 25 patterns will be upgraded. The following product is going to be upgraded. Opensuse Leap 15.2 will go to 20201229. That is the Tumbleweed version number. It is based on the date at which the update was released. The following 6 packages are going to be downgraded. JDM branding, Opensuse, Google Roboto fonts, Lib Wayland, EGL1 patterns, fonts patterns, then fonts underscore optional translation pack update. The following 2 packages are going to be downgraded. Fonts underscore optional. The following 8 packages are going to change architecture. So OpenSUSE build key from noarch, it is going to x86 underscore 64. So Perl crypt Symbian hash, Samba hash, Perl x11 protocol, Perl XML SAX, Plymouth scripts, Python 3 gedit, unzip doc, xorg 11, x11, lib x11, ccache. All you can see, some are packages are jumping from x64 to noarch and some are going from noarch to x64. That is automatic, you have to do nothing. The following 6 packages require a system reboot. dbus, glibc, kernel default, 510, libopen ssl1, systemd udev. So now it will give the final summary. 208 packages to upgrade, 6 to downgrade, 322 new packages, 152 to remove, 8 to change arc. Overall size is 1.72, download size is 1.72 GBs. Already cached 0 bytes. After operation, additional 515.4 MB of the disk space will be used. So then note, system reboot is required. This is a warning, because what happens is, after this all these big packages are upgraded, the system links, hard-coded system links in the system also change. So you must do a update reboot before using the new system. So it is asking me continue, so I just typed yes. Now it will start automatically retrieving the packages. It will download. If the connection fails, you have to just wait, try to reconnect. It will automatically start from the stage where it was the package download or the retrieval of packages had stopped. It will just move ahead. So you see my intermittent internet connection, every now and then the connection was failing, but after the connection restart, the update upgrade went on smoothly. So it's more than 2000 packages. You can see here also the disconnection happened. Here you can see in the genome shell language there is some warning. There is expected checksum was was given here, but the system got the checksum like this from the package. So it will ask you whether to accept or not accept. Accepting packages rock checksum can lead to corrupted system, and in extreme cases even to a system compromise. But if you are certain that the file with checksum is secure, correct, and it should be used with the operator, enter the first four characters of the checksum to unblock. So what I did is so I have chosen the first option, and the system is going ahead with the installation with the checksum that is provided by the package. So there is further same issue, I think. Okay, then there is a network issue. Network is unreachable. So what happened is again the upgrade is stopped. Then after I fiddled with the network settings, the update again started because I think the signal was weak from the Wi-Fi router. That's the issue. So I solved the problem, and now again the download started. Now there was some file conflicts. So package 1 had to be excluded from file conflict check because it is not yet downloaded. Note: checking for file conflict requires not install packages to be downloaded in advance in order to access their file list. Seek download dash in dash advance. Dry run download only in the Zyper manual page for details. So what happens is if the system finds a file conflict between package already in the system and the package yet to be downloaded, then it will give you a warning, or it will skip the file till the conflicting new package has not been downloaded. So we continue with the upgrade. Now it has started installing the updates, so it will update the scripts, hard links and everything, system links, everything. It will be done by the system. You have to just relax and give any user input if asked by the system. So it is writing the configuration files. You can see here PAM crack leap use replacing with PAM password quality like this. User bin mount setting to root 4755 wrong permission. So it will correct the wrong permissions also given to the root. So here you can see the system links being generated. Now it will install the further packages. Creating group system D resolve with GID group ID 459. It will create a group ID for the system components. Now it will install the kernel firmware here. Continue. It will just go on. It will continue to install, give some throw some errors, some warnings. Sometimes it will ask you for the user input. You have to give as per the best solution available in the options given by the system. Now it is updating the etc system config btrfs maintenance. The cronid, that is the your scheduler, has been now updated. So you can see it's still installing. Some 1564 packages have been done. It is very long time. It almost took me more than I think 2 hours to install all these 2000 plus packages, because that day the internet was very slow. Now towards the end it is installing the system log service file. Now it is now it is installing the network components and video drivers, and then it will restart those drivers. Now it is installing the firewall D, that is the system firewall, updating in the firewall D in the system config. So like this it is installing and updating the system. After all the packages have been installed, now it is doing additional RPM output. It is enabling pulse audio for ALSA and Leap audio output. Then the default driver is pulse already in the config file, Leap audio output config file. Enabling pulse audio for M player, enabling pulse audio for OSS. Application audio mix is already set up for pulse audio. Application socks already set up for pulse audio. Pulse audio for timidity already set up for pulse audio. Pulse audio for phonon, K-mix, speech dispatcher, SOX, setting up audio sync for G-streamer, pulse audio for KMU, pulse audio system D user socket, pulse audio for ALSA. Like this it will update and enable all the system critical system services. In the end it will now update Drakut. Now Drakut will execute user bin Drakut log file, and it will force the update. So root file system block, SUSE BTRFS, SUSE XFS, all modules are been updated in the Drakut. What is Drakut we will see in another video. Some packages, NDB packages, are not found. Attempting BDB backend. It will continue. So finally it found the NDB packages.db database while attempting BDB by using the NDB backend. Update notification received from the following packages: MUT, view the notification, yes. So with MUT some variables send multi-part alternative changes to run in batch mode. I don't know this, we will have to check up. Warning. So now it is giving the warning that there are running programs which still use files and libraries deleted or updated by recent upgrade. That should be restarted to benefit the latest update. Runs hyper ps-s to list the programs. Core libraries or system have been updated. Reboot is required to ensure the system benefits from this upgrade. So after completing this upgrade, you close the terminal and do a system reboot, and the system will now reboot into the Tumbleweed flavor, or the rolling release flavor. Okay, thank you very much. Do subscribe to our channel, give us valuable comments to improve our videos. Please share and like our videos. Thank you. Bye. See you.